For more on this, let's bring in our Sarah Morris live in Madrid. Sarah, first of all, give us the backstory on this case.
Well, this all goes back to 2017, Jeannie, when basically Reset, as he's known on YouTube, his real name is Kangua Ren, he began posting his videos, and one of them was one of his typical practical jokes. He was challenged by one of his followers to trick somebody into eating Oreo cookies, replacing the cream with toothpaste. And he went out onto the streets. He found a Romanian homeless man who he gave 20 euros to plus the cookies, and then proceeded to film him. It was an enormously well-watched video to such an extent that video made Reset more than 2,000 euros because of the Google advertising. But it was not liked by everyone, including one popular YouTuber. Many people denounced it because the homeless man vomited afterwards and was humiliated in that video. Now the public prosecutor for hate crimes took up the prosecution of the case, and a Barcelona court initially ruled that it was a crime, that this man, the homeless man, had been humiliated. And a Supreme Court has now upheld that case, giving 20,000 euros in compensation to the victim, and also making this historic ban on 5 years. Reset will not be able to post this kind of videos, and nor will he be able to be on YouTube. And he's been warned that he shouldn't try to get round the ruling by setting up a new channel.
So, Sarah, a lot of these kind of pranks, unfortunately, are on social media, are posted all the time. What might the implications of this decision be?
Well, the commentators have already started to pick over this verdict, and one of the things they're pointing out is that the sentence and the judges and prosecutors seem to be seeing YouTube as a place that can facilitate crime, and therefore there can be restraining orders for criminals who've used YouTube in a way that is ruled to be criminal by the courts. And so it does potentially open the doors for more verdicts of this kind. We'll have to see if any of these cases are taken beyond Spain. The Supreme Court is the highest court. It could go to the Constitutional Court in Spain in theory, and then to the European courts. But some commentators are drawing the conclusion that this does send a message to YouTubers who think that the channel and other social networks like it are just a way of making a quick buck, that they must be wary of the sort of content they put out, because it is not or has, or at least can be subject to some kind of limits.
All right, Sarah, thank you so much for that. That's Sarah Morris there, our correspondent in Madrid, on that.